The patient journey starts here with a dose that could change a life. But the story begins long before that moment, with a breakthrough and the determination to deliver it. Breakthroughs are only the beginning. Today's path to patients is increasingly unpredictable, slowed by supply chain volatility, regulatory shifts, and rising costs. Getting there now takes more than science. It takes foresight. It takes flexibility. It takes infrastructure. And it takes partnership. As global complexity rises, US-based continuity becomes a strategic advantage, and Thermo Fisher is built for this moment. Our integrated CDMO and CRO network spans key US sites, offering formulation, manufacturing, packaging, testing, and clinical supply services, all under one trusted partner. To meet rising demand for secure domestic supply, Thermo Fisher Scientific has pledged $2 billion in US manufacturing investment, including $1.3 billion dedicated to our pharma services network over the next 4 years. Whether scaling a molecule or launching a therapy, our teams deliver at every stage, onshore, on time, and in sync. Across the industry, companies are rethinking their approach, moving away from global models toward resilient domestic partnerships. Because at the end of every supply chain is a person waiting for hope. And when hope is within reach, every moment counts. Thermo Fisher Scientific. Minimize disruption, maximize progress.